Hey guys, another little update on the Discus Tank and the second video to play a little bit with the new light system. For you to remember, maybe this is the Aquagro full spectrum 1200 for 1 meter 20, 1 meter 20 long. And in fact, what you can see here, this is the web interface when you connect through your Wi-Fi or directly to the lamp in AP mode. But right now we are connected, this is the IP of the lamp, and I can change the settings directly. Sorry, I try to find a good position. So, okay. You have this lamp on the left as a reference, I would say, maybe for the system to not bother you so much. And the first point, this is the speed. I don't know if you can see the cursor, and if you see the modification in the lightning, it is very nicely instantaneous. So, quite easy to find your sweet spot for the specific mood, or maybe for the look that, for example, if you have this could be more African lake biotop, a little bit in the blue area, and you can turn something way more warm with a little bit of red this way. This is sunlight of Amazonian river. Okay, so you get the point. You can play with all the parameters, and if you want, I will put everything at 0. We start with here, this is a cold white, 100%, just the cold white. Okay. If I go down, okay, the Discus will maybe don't like it so much, but if I go down, this is a warm white, 100% of the warm white. Wondering what's going on. After that, you have the dedicated color. So you don't put one color at a time, except if you want a weird... this one could be interesting, especially with the Discus. You see the coloration of the Discus. This is some red, supposedly red Ica. And they have some blue coloration, nice one. And the last, not the last one, but the last one, this is not one dedicated color. In fact, this is a kind of mixed of RGB, but on top you have a yellow, a pink, a purple, and a dark blue, I guess, something like that. For you have some line of LED with a lot of different colors. So, for example, I can come closer, and you might see already all the different coloration. You see, dark blue, purple, the red, green, something like orange or yellow. So interesting combination, but it's not enough to get something nice, I would say. So right now you're back to your interface, and you want, for example, a dominant warm white, this way, a little bit intensity with cold. You want the pop-up of the color, and in this case with the Discus, blue and red. This is, and you put it back here, for example, and you put, something like that. Okay. So this is instantaneous, and of course over the day you can set up another kind of diagram. So this one is, I don't remember precisely, light settings, yep. It will be maybe another video, because I don't remember where to grab the graph over the day. And you have a demo mode when you want to play quickly in 5 minutes, for example, the programming that you've done over the day. You can use this. So if you are wondering the setup, here you can see you have the Shiro WRGB2 120 over. I haven't removed it, and I just put straight on the glass on the tank the Aquagro. So that's all for the effect, I would say. And just because I have been patient and for you maybe to enjoy, I really like, already after one day I would say I really enjoy the white, the two whites as bases. On top you can pop up the coloration with the blue and the red, for example, but at least when you want to get a little sundown light, then you can play just with the different whites, and it's very nice. So you get it, they are just waiting their food, some Artemia. This is what they get times 2 times over the week, and this is on top of here the different foods that they get 3 times per week. So yes, they are not poor with the food, I would say. And one more time, guys, when you have such kind of little Artemia swimming everywhere, it's a nice way to get a visualization of the water stream, to make sure that this is exactly what you have in mind. Sometimes you have some weird behavior that you need some floating element to get a better overview of what's going on. Yep, so that's all for the days, guy. Hope everything is going fine at your place, and maybe you could also enjoy fish keeping as much as I do. Ciao!